watermelon person. What the fuck? Oh, it's good, not my favorite. What's really good? What's popping, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I gotta do something with my hair because it's a wash day, it's a Sunday, it's that time of the week. Oh my god, the acne is real right now. It is also that time of the month coming up. The last video I colored my hair purple, and there's just like a really weird situation going on with my hair right now. The roots of my hair are like a grayish brown, so I don't know if you can see, like blue here, kind of running out. This is gray, brown, weird stuff, and then there's like a little patch of purple right here. I don't know what's going on. The last video I did when I had the red in my hair, I was like trying to get it to come out, I mixed Head and Shoulders and baking soda, right? Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do again, but when I rinsed it out of my hair was super dry. So what I'm gonna do first to just initially wash my hair, I'm gonna use this, right? The Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo, and then I'm gonna do the Head and Shoulders equal parts, but I'm gonna put a touch of this shampoo in there just because my hair was so dry, and the baking soda really just like stripped everything. I think I'm gonna need some soothing up in there, and the honey and oats is probably the right combination. So, and yeah, that's it. It'd be like that. I just don't like watermelon, like, ma'am. Okay, now look. Do you see how this color, basically it's not purple, meaning like it's running out right here, right? But then there's some pieces on the ends. I was looking at it the other day. Like down here, I don't know if you guys can see. Down here, it's like super light blue. They say that purple's a hard color to get out, but I'm hoping since it was a door, like semi-permanent color, it'll come out pretty quickly. I don't think I'm gonna do purple again, to be honest with you, because this is not the move. Like, let me jump in this shower and then I'll be back with you guys when I'm like making the mix on camera. Okay, I'm really hoping that this works. Otherwise, I can get a color extractor off Amazon. The only thing is, the color extractors off Amazon, well, one, I actually got one that was Pravana, and my hair ended up smelling for probably like 2 weeks. Like, I could not get that smell out of my hair. And then it actually like ruined my curl pattern too. Like, my curls were like almost like they were texturized or something. They were completely straight, and I literally had to wait for it all to grow out and just chop it off, because no matter what I did for treatments or whatever, you name it, like, it was not, my hair was not gonna revert back to its natural curls.
Where you get all them bands from?
This big ass cap on. Oh my gosh. Then I'm gonna put my bonnet on over it. All right, so I'm gonna leave this in for a couple hours and then rinse it out. And and then come back and see how it's going. Hey Google, what time is it?
4:24 p.m.
So maybe like 8 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. So it's been almost 4 hours. Let's see. So a lot of the purple rinsed out in the sink. So I think a good amount came out. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. So a lot of it came out on the ends, which I'm really pleasantly surprised about. The combination of the purple hair coloring that turned blue on top of my hair that was bleached yellow or orange before is looking kind of green on the ends. So there's a whole situation here. All right, so I think, well, for one, I'm gonna put a treatment in my hair, but right now, but
Where you get all them bangs from?
child, there's somebody walking in my backyard. And I don't have the time or the patience. Okay, so just kidding. I wanted to come back and show you guys actually what my hair is looking like. I'm about to put it in 2 braids, and I always blow dry before I put it in 2 braids. But since it's dry, you can definitely see the color a lot better than what it was initially. Inches. Anyway, I mean, honestly, it's kind of a vibe. Like more purple came out of this side. There's like more orange in this side. Yes, fall back like whoa, because you can never do it like me. Oh,
hater. So fall back like whoa, bitch, because you can never do it like me.
yeah, so 1 week I'm gonna come back. We're gonna see what the color's looking like. Put the baking soda and Head and Shoulders in my hair again and see what it's looking like. After I rinsed the front out, I put more of the Rosemary mask in my hair, which I'm loving. I'm kind of here for this though. I look like an X-Men, right? Storm. Yeah. I'll see you guys in 1 week. Oh, what's going on? So it has been 1 week. I am going to now do my Head and Shoulders and baking soda mix to try to get the rest of this purple out of my hair. Like you can see, it's kind of orange in the front, which is what the initial color was. I will say though, I'm very surprised that this Head and Shoulder mixture worked as well as it did. And I don't know about you, but I'ma keep it cracking like I'm supposed to do.
Where you get all them bangs from?
So, let's see. Oh yeah. Like look at how bright my hair is down here. That's the color it was when I initially bleached it. This is still a little orange. This part, this like aren't as green. It's like they're super toned, the ends are almost. See? You're right, I got my guy, but I can't wait. All right, y'all. I just blew dry my hair, and it is smoky in my apartment like a bitch right now because that's just what happens when you blow dry and straighten my hair. So basically, the color came out pretty good as far as it coming out compared to what it was before. But then there's some pieces on the ends. I was looking at it the other day. Yeah, much better now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. There's a notification bell on the channel so you're notified every time there's a new upload on this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one, whether it's me coloring my hair or doing whatever. All right?